Man, I'm gonna enjoy this. These are tender. Nice sauce. Extra touch with the honey. Wow, this is better than store-bought because you make it fresh, and then you put the right amount of sauces that you like. You can make it sweet or tangy as you like, or salty as you like. And for me, it's always this end piece. Oh, that's my favorite. Wow, that's really terrific. I can say, when you make this, you're going to be the hero.
For this recipe, we have roughly 2 pounds of pork butt or pork shoulder cut into 4 to 6 strips lengthwise.
So these are the main ingredients I'm going to use in my Cha Siu Chinese barbecue pork. So I put ketchup, and I use one of the main sauces. So for this, I like chuho paste. I think this one has the fermented bean curd, or else you can just use the Chinese barbecue sauce or Chinese bean sauce. And besides the ketchup adding red color, I also like to put a bit of this ground paprika, so that also adds a bit of red color. So the sauce I just blend together. I put a little bit of salt and pepper in there too. If you want to put some spice, you can do that as well. So just marinate the pork for at least half an hour, and overnight is even better. I already put the barbecue pork in the oven for 425 degrees. I think it'll probably take about an hour, maybe an hour and a quarter. And I'm going to put some honey in there. So honey into the barbecue sauce for basting. So make sure you leave a little bit extra. So you baste the Cha Siu with the honey and the sauce mixture. So it's about halfway right now. It's about halfway right now, roughly 35 minutes. I'm going to check on the Cha Siu. Ooh, look at that. I've got this brush. I'm going to baste some of the Cha Siu with the honey sauce mixture. I'll give you a close look at the Cha Siu. So you can see it's nicely cooking right now. It's a nice color. So I'm going to rotate the tray so the inside has more heat, so I'll have to just switch the tray around.
Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use.
Oh, looking good, looking good. So it's been about 45 minutes right now. So that's what the Cha Siu looks like. I'm just going to turn the Cha Siu over. I'm going to put it on a new pan, and then I'm going to put some more of the marinade on it. So I have this other pan here. I'm just going to transfer the Cha Siu over. I'm going to flip them over so that the bottom side gets a bit of the sauce. So just flip it over, because the bottom side, a lot of the juices came out, so it doesn't have a nice coating anymore. It came off. So I'm just gonna take this Cha Siu and put it on this tray here. And this is a big piece right here. So this is a nice one right here. Ooh, nice, nice, nice. And here's another nice big piece here. So this piece has nice sauce on the bottom there. Oh, nice. That's the only word I can say. Nice, nice. So this is what the first tray looks like. It's all burnt on the side. I actually dumped some of the oil out already. So that's why I transferred it onto the new tray. So you won't have this burning going on, and also the oil on the bottom. So when you flipped it over, it'll be nice and dry with a new tray. So I'm just going to baste the Cha Siu right now. So put a generous coating on it, on the top. Put a generous coating of sauce. So this is the honey and the sauce mixture.
That's perfect. Now just put the Chinese barbecue pork back into the oven and cook for the final 20 to 25 minutes.
There you have it. Tasty, delicious, homemade Cha Siu. Enjoy. Okay, so now we're going to cut the Cha Siu. Ooh, it's going to be delicious. Just cut it on a slight slant there like this. Ooh, really nice. Nicely cooked. So these big pieces actually cook right to perfection. The smaller pieces might be a bit more well done. If you have the time, you can always take the small pieces out first, but total cooking time for this is about hour and 15. That includes the time I took out the Cha Siu to put it in a new tray. So the actual cooking time might be somewhere around 1:10, 1 hour 5 minutes, something like that. Ooh, this end piece! Look at this end piece! Wow, I'm gonna enjoy this. Wow, so much flavor. That sweet, tangy sauce, and the outside cut, basically on the corner, on the end there. That's extra tasty. Oh, I just had to stop and enjoy a piece of the Cha Siu. Oh, that is terrific. That is just terrific. Oh boy, it's lucky I got a chance to enjoy that. Wow, that was just so tasty, so tasty. Oh, I can't wait to have my next piece there. Oh. This piece is a little bit smaller, so it might be done a little more. But still going to be tasty. Still going to be very tasty. Wow, that's great. That's great. And we come to the last piece, and as you know what I'm going to do with it? I'm going to eat it, of course. This end piece is perfect. It's got a little bit of fat on the end there. Wow. I enjoy the end pieces all the time. Wow, each piece gets tastier and tastier. There you have it. Homemade, delicious, tasty Cha Siu. Enjoy.
Thanks for checking out my video. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are always welcome. Take care and stay safe.